Hello, good morning everyone. Standard 12 formal subject statistics part 2, in which chapter number 3, that is normal probability distribution. Last time we have discussed about the theory portion, basic concept, the properties of the normal distribution of this chapter. Today we take the simple example and basic example based on normal probability distribution and the standard normal curve. Right? Find the probability or area under the given curve for the standard value or for the given value. We have to determine the probability between 0 and 1.5. 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1.5. Now see, x is the normal variable, z is the standard normal variable, right? 0 to 1.5. In our textbook, statistics part 2, see on page number last page 212, reference to page number 212, table of standard normal curve. Likewise, log book table. One type of log book, there is a table showing 0 to z, means z value table, right? Area from 0 to 1.5. Then from the table 0 to 1.5, directly we can see from table value 0.4332. Keep textbook with you and see in the table, you will get this value. And this diagram shows that 0 and 1.5. The shaded part, the shaded region between z equal to 0 and z equal to 1.5. This area is required area, shaded portion. And the value is, or the probability is, area under this curve, this portion, 0.4332. This value is given in the table. 1.5 at 0, if you see, then this value is given. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0, which is same as, or which is equivalent as 0 to 1. Because if you see in the top of the table, at the top of the table, given that 0 to z, not for left hand side, all right hand side, 0 से लेकर z की value तक, means minus 1 से लेकर 0 तक, it is equivalent to 0 से लेकर 1 तक, plus 1. Now, minus 1 to 0, it is same as 0 to 1. This area is required, but this is same as this one. Therefore, minus 1 से लेकर 0 तक, minus 1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0, which is same as 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1. And plus 1 area is given 0.3413. Then third one, minus 1 से लेकर plus 1 तक. Minus 1 से लेकर plus 1 तक means पहले minus 1 से लेकर 0 तक और बाद में 0 से लेकर 1 तक. If you add this, ये दोनों हम add करेंगे, then and then we get the required probability or required area. Means probability minus 1 से लेकर 0 तक and 0 से लेकर 1 तक. But minus 1 से लेकर 0 तक it is same as 0 to 1, and this is also 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means if you twice multiply this probability by 2 or twice this probability, twice this area, then this is whole area. Means 2 times probability between 0 and 1. But probability between 0 and 1 we know 0.3413. This is stable value. And 2 times 0.3413, it is same as multiply. If you multiply, means product is 0.6826. These are the basic example, fundamental example, foundation of this chapter. If you learn very well, then and then you will proceed further. This is must in this example, basic and required. Next, probability between 0.5 to 1.5. From right side to 0, this is 0.5 and this is 1.5. The shaded region is required. Means probability is 0 से लेकर 1.5 तक and 0 से लेकर 0.5 तक. Subtraction is there because 0 to 1.5 minus 0 to 0.5. The required area is 1.5 means 0.4332. If you see the table, 0.5 means 0.1915. The subtraction will give you as answer. Same way, minus 1.96 से लेकर minus 0.5 तक, then minus 1.96 to 0 and minus 0.5 to 0. Now 0 to 1.96 and 0 to 0.5. 0 to 1.96 means which area? 0.4750. 0 to 0.5, 0.1915. the subtraction will give you answer. This is both plus sign, therefore right side to 0. This is both minus sign, therefore left side to 0. But we know that minus 1.96 से लेकर 0 तक it is same as 0 से लेकर 1.96 तक. Minus 0.5 से लेकर 0 तक it is same as 0 से लेकर 0.5 तक. Right? Now, probability between minus 1.96 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 2.58 means minus 1.96 से लेकर 0 तक and 0 से लेकर 2.58 तक. Right? Probability minus 1.96 to 0 plus probability 0 to 2.58 addition. But we know that minus 1.96 to 0 it is same as, it is equivalent as 0 to 1.96 plus this probability as it is. 1.96 probability is table value 0.4750, 2.58, 0.4951. Addition of these two numbers, these two digits give you answer as 0.9701. Right? Probability z greater than or equal to minus 0.5. This area minus 0.5 is the value which is left hand side to 0. Area which is left hand side to 0 minus 0.5. Then minus 0.5 से लेकर 0 तक और 0 से लेकर infinity तक. Greater than means area right side to this value. Area right side to this value. This value lies on left hand side of 0. Minus 0.5 से लेकर right hand side का जो भी area है total area, it is the required area. पहले minus 0.5 से लेकर 0 तक और बाद में 0 से लेकर infinity तक. Right? Probability minus 0.5 to 0. Probability 0 to infinity means minus 0.5 to 0. Minus 0.5 to 0. It is same as 0 से लेकर 0.5 तक. 0 to infinity का एरिया हमको मालूम है 0.50. From the center line, area of the either side or right hand side or left hand side, area is 0.5000. That part we have seen in the last lecture. Therefore, 0.5 area is 0.1915. See the table. Keep textbook with you. Statistics part 2, page number 212. Then and then this example you will get correctly. Right? 0.1915, 0.5000. You will get answer as 0.691. Please be practice. Change the value and be practice for this type of example because these are basic, prior and required examples or methods in the whole chapter. So this is important for you. Be practice very well from textbook, from PDF file or whatever may be practice book or material you have. Thank you everyone. See you.